Hi there. Making your forms and surveys more personal is a great way to boost completion rates. And smartly reusing your respondents' earlier answers in forms helps to personalize the experience to that end. In Tripetto, that's called piping logic. To demonstrate how to do this, we already prepared a simple form with just a couple of questions. The first question asks for the respondent's name. And let's say you want to show that entered name inside the follow-up question. To do so, you just click the second question block. In this example, we want to show the name of the respondent in the description, but you can use given answers in any text field in Tripetto. Place the cursor at the desired position in the description field. Now type the @ sign. This will open the piping menu where you can select the question from which you want to pipe the answer. In this case, your first question. Now the form will automatically place the given answer to the first question in the description of the second. You can instantly test your setup in the preview to the right of the builder, where the form is displayed exactly like your respondents will get to see it. Just type in your name and you'll see the second question updated with your name while you're typing. And that's how you use given answers inside your Tripetto forms. Also check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to subscribe to our Tripetto channel. Thanks, and goodbye.